Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to talk about those of you who are stuck at your current job. What do I mean by that? Quite often I've been kind of coaching a few people and answering people's emails with their personal career situations and noticed a pattern that often developer works at a certain job position, but they are not happy there, but at the same time they are stuck from looking new positions elsewhere. Stuck in terms of time, so they work like long shifts with deadlines, always stressful, so they don't find time or energy to look for new positions. Because to get a new job is not that easy. I've talked about that on previous videos, that you need to have some portfolio, you need to pitch yourself, you need to attend interviews. It takes time and energy, and the current job doesn't really allow you, especially when you need to do that kind of in a hidden way so your current employee wouldn't find out. At the same time, of course, you're pressured with your finances, so you need to keep providing food on the table, you need to provide for your family or for yourself, and you are afraid of losing even current job as much as you hate it. So this is a typical scenario, and what would I do if I were in that situation? First thing that comes to my mind while talking to those people, they are blaming the environment and the current employer and the company. They go like, I'm stuck at my current job, but my current management doesn't allow me to have side projects, to have time for myself, to learn something new so I would be able to look for a new job. So they are guilty about my situation, them. So someone else doesn't allow me to find a better job. Of course, it's also the economy, the crisis, the job market, whatever. So first advice would be to change the mindset that it's not them to blame. In fact, there's no one to blame, it's just the situation. But if you start playing victim and if you start complaining about the situation, that wouldn't help in any way. For example, you have 30 minutes per day before sleep. You can browse job offers, then identify the ones that you could apply for technically. Then another 30 minutes you could write a pitch for them, a CV or something. And don't start telling me that you cannot find 30 minutes per day. I would not believe you. Start actually analyzing where your time goes. You may have to wake up a bit earlier, you may have to go to sleep a bit late, you may have to rearrange something, but you can find the time to at least try to get out of your current job. Of course, it depends on the individual situation. How can you apply for other positions? But at least try. So my point of this video is don't play victim, because honestly, the world doesn't care about you that much. They can tell you they're there, of course, you're in a difficult situation, everyone understands, but then the world moves on and your situation doesn't change. So what you need to think about is how to change your situation. If you want my help, you can email me povilas@laraveldaily.com. Maybe I will give some advice about your career, but please identify your next steps. To look for another job, then where, with what tech, in which companies. To learn something, then which technology, what course to take, what tutorials to write, what YouTube videos to follow. Make your next steps towards your future job as actionable as possible and as clear as possible. If I can help you with that, email me and let's discuss. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.